Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in the tutorial how to delete a video in the draft section on Facebook Creator Studio using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Facebook, as well as a like page and some videos that we have uploaded to Creator Studio that have not been made live yet. Can I start the tutorial? Before I start the tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go around to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's go to Facebook Creator Studio using a shortcut within bookmarks. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to Content. Wait for that to load. Go to Posts and Reels. Within this, go to Drafts. Within this section, we can upload as much as we like to, and then we can make the video published to live once we have edited in the later stages. So now we wish to, let's just say, delete the video. I can either edit post, but this will be the process to make live. Go to the three dots, options, delete the post, delete post. Post will be permanently deleted. That's fine. Click on delete. Your post has been deleted. If I were to, let's just say, now go back to published, go back to draft videos, we can now see that we do not have any videos in the drafts section for us to later on upload. We'll have to re-upload the videos. If we do not make those videos live or published, they will sit in the drafts. So we can now quit Safari. And so that's for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.